History is full of mysteries, some strange, some terrifying, and some completely unexplainable. Events that have left experts scratching their heads for centuries. From entire civilizations disappearing without a trace to bizarre occurrences with no logical explanation. Today, we'll uncover 10 of the most mysterious events in human history. The Dancing Plague. In the year 1518, in the city of Strasbourg, France, people started dancing, but not for fun. They danced uncontrollably for hours, then days, then weeks. Many collapsed. Some even died of exhaustion. It all started with one woman, but soon hundreds joined in. Doctors of the time called it hot blood and suggested more dancing as the cure, making it even worse. Was this mass hysteria, a disease, or something beyond human understanding? The mystery remains unsolved. The lost colony of Roanoke. In 1587, more than 100 English settlers established a colony on Roanoke Island, USA. But when their leader, John White, returned after 3 years, they had vanished. No bodies, no clues, only the word Croatoan carved into a tree. Had they joined a nearby Native American tribe? Were they attacked? Or did something more sinister happen? Even after centuries of research, no one knows where the Roanoke settlers disappeared. The Voynich Manuscript. This ancient manuscript, discovered in 1912, is written in an unknown language that no one has ever been able to decode. The pages are filled with bizarre illustrations of unfamiliar plants, astronomical charts, and mysterious human figures. Some believe it holds secret knowledge, while others think it's an elaborate hoax. Even the world's top cryptographers have failed to crack its code. Is it a forgotten language? A message from another world? The mystery endures. The Dyatlov Pass Incident. In February 1959, 9 experienced hikers in the Ural Mountains of Russia were found dead under horrific conditions. Their tent was torn from the inside out, their bodies scattered across the snow, some with strange injuries, broken ribs, missing tongues, and radiation traces. There were no signs of an attack or avalanche. Some theories suggest secret military experiments, paranormal forces, or even UFOs. The Russian government classified the case for decades, only adding to the mystery. The Taos hum. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, residents report hearing a mysterious, low-frequency hum that has no identifiable source. It's been described as a distant engine, a low rumbling, or even an eerie vibration. Scientists have investigated, but there's no mechanical or geological reason for this sound. Even more bizarre, not everyone can hear it. Is it mass hysteria, a hidden experiment, a frequency beyond normal human hearing? No one knows for sure. The SS Orang Medan Mystery. In 1947, a distress signal was received from a ship named SS Orang Medan. The chilling message? All officers, including the captain, are dead. Possibly whole crew dead. I die. When rescuers arrived, they found the entire crew dead, with frozen expressions of terror on their faces. There were no injuries, no signs of struggle, no explanation. Before the ship could be investigated further, it mysteriously caught fire and sank. Was it a paranormal event, a chemical accident, a secret military cover-up? We may never know. The WOW signal. In 1977, an astronomer detected a powerful signal from deep space. It lasted for 72 seconds, coming from a location where no known planets or stars exist. He circled the reading and wrote "WOW" beside it, hence the name. But despite decades of searching, the signal has never been detected again. Was it an alien transmission, a cosmic anomaly, a message from another civilization? The mystery remains unsolved. The Green Children of Woolpit. In the 12th century, 2 mysterious children were found in Woolpit, England. They had green skin, spoke an unknown language, and refused to eat anything but raw beans. Over time, their skin returned to normal, but their origins remained a mystery. Some say they came from an underground world, a parallel universe, or even another planet. What do you think? The Zodiac Killer's ciphers. The Zodiac Killer terrorized California in the late 1960s, leaving behind cryptic ciphers and taunting messages for the police. Even after decades, some of his letters remain unsolved. Despite many suspects, his identity was never confirmed. Who was he? Could his messages still hold the key to the truth? The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most infamous mystery zones on Earth. Planes, ships, and entire crews have vanished here without a trace. Despite countless investigations, there is no scientific explanation that fully accounts for the disappearances. Some believe in magnetic anomalies, others in underwater alien bases. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of all time. What do you think about these mysteries? Have any of them been solved, or are we still missing pieces of the puzzle? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mysterious stories. Until next time, stay curious.